beautiful spot, amazing day. Here are the vending machines. We'll go in close again. And we've got our soba and udon. So this one here, it says soba, and this one udon. You pick tempura udon or tempura soba. 250 yen each. Put your money in, stick the money in here, and then counts down, and at the end of that comes out here. So I'm going to give it a try and see how this actually tastes. And then let's select, I'm an udon fan, so let's go udon. So we've got 22 seconds and counting. So let's open up. We have a bowl of udon with tempura. Look at that. Udon and tempura, 250 yen. That's like $2.50. So in here, chopsticks. Here we are. So I've got my bowl of udon, chopsticks, and tempura. Let's see how this tastes. I'm not the only one actually doing this. This place is super busy. There's all kinds of cars pulling up and people coming here to try vending machine udon. Let's try it. Here goes. First, let's try tempura from a vending machine. That tastes amazing. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, noodles from a vending machine. That's absolutely cool. This is as good as you'll get in a shop. Okay, maybe not as good, but for a vending machine, this is insane. This is so good. 250 yen. Tempura, look at that. That's a massive chunk of tempura. Look how big it is. And the noodles, like these are good noodles. Let's try the soup actually. That soup tastes great. I love udon. This is so good. 250 yen from a vending machine. You can't get any better. I'm slurping my noodles. The cool thing about Japan, you can slurp your noodles as much as you like and no one will complain. Okay, I'll go back. The tempura is mama. It's a bit fishy, but can't complain for the price. All done. Udon from a vending machine. Absolutely amazing. Seriously, that would have to be the best vending machine I've ever been to.